Hello, this is Dennis McDonald with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. I want to show you a customer's telephone today. This is a Western Electric wall telephone. And give you a little shot of this. It's missing a center dial ring and number card, and it has the old metal finger wheel. So this telephone is from in the 50s, and we'll check the date here in a minute. This is Alex sent this telephone from Connecticut, and he basically says, I would like the handset cord replaced, and I need a metal dial center ring with a plastic insert. And this handset cord is hardwired in, and it is broke right here at the cord, right at the handset where it goes into the transmitter. So anyway, let's take a look at this telephone real quick, and we'll show it to you. Over here we have a dial center ring. When we order these, this is the way it comes in. It's an original dial center ring, and it's got the dial card in it. And here's a handset cord that we're going to replace the handset cord on the telephone. It's a hardwired cord. A lot of these are new old stock. Some of them are used, but basically they're in good condition, and these cords are getting hard to find, so you pretty much have to use whatever you can get, unless you want to get some kind of a remake cord, and we only do that if we can't find something that we can use that's original. So basically, this telephone does have a date in it, and it looks like 12/59. So it's a 554, and so it looks like it's from 1959. This handset cord, I was going to show you us wiring this handset cord in, but we got to looking at it earlier. This bell does not work, and upon a little closer inspection of this bell, we found that somebody has taken this bell and put some screws in it that does not belong. So we're probably going to have to do maybe 2 videos. This screw, I'm going to try to get a shot of this. This screw here does not belong in this bell, okay, and neither does this screw. So that is an indication that somebody has tried to work on this telephone and couldn't figure out why the bell wouldn't ring, or was having problems with the bell ringing, and somehow that led into getting 2 different screws in this bell than it's supposed to have. So basically what we're going to have to do is get the right screws in the bell. But first of all, let's do this. Let's get into this bell and disconnect it all together. It's got 2 pair that are not in the right spot on the network. So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm just going to take everything off that has anything to do with the bell. So let's remove this guy, and let's remove this guy, and this customer does not want a modular port installed. The customer is going to hardwire this telephone in, and that's fine. You can bolt it to the wall and hardwire it in, and that'll work just fine. Wanted to check and make sure if that was this guy right here. And basically, now that I've seen they've had a bell problem, I think what we're going to do is we're going to take a capacitor, and I'm going to install a capacitor with this telephone, just in case there's a problem with the network's capacitor. So I'm just going to install this one, and that way everything will be okay. Now the only way we won't install this capacitor is if we get our bell working properly, and as of yet I have not seen the bell work properly, so maybe with a little rewiring we can get it going, but let's try that now. And I think what I want to do is I want to use this guy right here, and this is coming off the bell, so we want to use him. Then I want to use this guy right here. And I have a line that we can hook up to the telephone. You hear dial tone. Get the clip back on. Okay, there's dial tone. Let's hang the phone up. See if we can ring it. And the telephone does not ring. So basically what we're going to have to do is I'm going to have to go into the bell. We'll try one other thing. Okay, we're going to have to add our own capacitor and wire the bell like we want it so that the bell works. And we're going to have to get the right set of screws in there, because with these screws that are in here now, this bell will not sound right. And so basically we need to get all that taken care of. And we'll have to wire in this handset cord. So let's take this off, and I just want to show you the bell ring, because I think the bell will ring if we get it. Let's wire this real quick. I need to get a capacitor in here. We'll see if this bell will ring. We want to try a couple of different configurations. I'm not real happy with this bell here, but we're going to check it out further. And if everything seems to work out all right, we'll use it. If not, we're going to replace this this bell. I'd like to see it work every time we hook it up. And so far we haven't checked it out enough to make sure that that's the case. But we do have a pretty good ring on this pair. And we need to get the right screw in this bell. So all in all, a very nice Western Electric wall telephone from the 50s. And this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair. We're going to work on this phone a little bit, and we'll do another final video on it after we get the handset cord installed and get the bell wired, and probably with an added capacitor. So thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, And this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. Thank you.